how do you feel po na maka-receive po ng ganito?
Check. Microphone.
Check 1, 2. Of course, very, very happy, very proud. Yun lang.
Makakaasa po ba kami na hinidinig kami ng bagong music from you? Itong mga susunod na araw or the next?
Susunod na araw, wala siguro. Pero nakalabas ko lang ng solo album last year. Actually, first year anniversary na ngayon ng Method Adapter.
Congratulations po.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anna. And then we have another question here. Please introduce yourself and your publication.
Hello, Sir Ellie. I am Aliana from Push ABS-CBN.
Hi.
So, again, congratulations to your award. Alam namin na ito ay dagdag sa napakarami mo ng award being so long in the industry. So, with that being said, my question is, how do you feel as you still staying relevant in the music industry despite being so long na dito? And marami na tayong emerging artists and ikaw nandito ka pa rin. How do you feel about that?
Well, relevance is subjective, but I try to stay relevant by supporting the younger artists. That's why I formed the music label, Offshore Music, and we try to give yung mga other artists na medyo indie vibe na hindi nakakapasok sa industry natin through the usual means. And yeah, I just try to give back what I got from the music industry. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We have a question from Athena of 24 Oras. Athena Inter.
Hi, Sir Ellie. Athena again from GMA News. Sabi ko po sa inyo kanina, parehas tayong galing sa Kalayaan Residence Hall, pero syempre magkaibang batch. Nakita niyo po ba yung sarili niyo when you were still in first year college na magiging ganito kayo, ka-award winning ngayong panahong ito?
Well, probably not winning awards, but I did visualize. I had a dream of being a composer and being a performer and reaching as many people as I can with my music. So the awards are simply the icing on the cake.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. And then from Philippine Star.
Jerlyn Joshua from the Philippine Star. Congrats, Sir Ellie. Sa haba po sa dami po ng hit songs nyo, ano po yung one song that you think changed your life and why?
Good question. Changed my life? It would probably be first single. I think it was Parigo or Ligaya. I'm not sure, but the one that became a hit from the first album. That song definitely changed my whole life. Okay.
And then last question po from Rappler. Please introduce yourself now, please, Sir Ed.
Hello, sir. Congrats. I'm
Thank you.
Elle from Rappler, and my question is in line with the previous questions, which is, what piece of advice do you wish someone had told you when you were still starting out, and that you wish younger artists can hold on to now?
I guess number one would be to not take it too seriously, and not take your career so seriously that you tend to forget the big picture, which is and I'm saying this because I went through this whole stage of parang taking things for granted, you know, what the universe has given to me and what the fans have given to me. And yeah, just enjoy making music and try not to step over anyone's toes.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much, everyone, and thank you so much again, and congratulations, Sir Ellie. Sorry, can we have one last photo na lang without the trophy? Here na lang po, in the center.